one of the worst Midwest winter storms, and right before I go to Trader Joe's for living parsley. I'll tell you what the guy said in a minute. Now, why did I do that? Because the end of January is perfect for starting your cold weather herbs. And for $2, right under $2, I could get a whole bunch, and I don't have to mess with seeds because I don't have the room. I start a lot from seeds. All you do is go and you just separate these. And I don't know how many I'll get, but here's one. Two, if they're really close. And 2 more. So, what am I going to do with these? I'm going to put them in containers and just let them grow, because these are going to be in my first outdoor containers. So it looks really good, because it doesn't have to be flowers. It could be edibles, and parsley looks great. So now I have to tell you what the cashier said. He said, so I've been watching customers as they come in. So one woman, 6 bottles of wine. And he said, that's what you need to get through the storm? Yep, 6 bottles. I'm okay till Tuesday. Another guy came in. He came in with all this fruit and bottled water. And the cashier said, that's what you need? Yep, that. And I got a bicycle at home that I could do inside. So I come in with my 1 parsley. He said, and that's going to get you through the storm? I said, yeah, I have a video to do for my garden channel. He just started laughing. He said, that's the first one I've heard. But how do you feel about snow ice cream? We're going to do that today too.